Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chat. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Windows Active Directory Domain Service and also DNS service. So guys, before the installation, you should take an idea about the Windows Domain Controller and Windows Active Directory plus DNS. So I have uploaded video about Windows Domain Controller. Please go and watch that video. You can take a basic idea about the Active Directory services. Okay, so guys, before installation, we need to complete some prerequisites. So you need to set up your computer name. So this server I was installed using a VMware Workstation virtual machine. So I have already talked about the VMware Workstation player and how to create virtual machine. Please go and watch that videos. Then you can set up a virtual machine with Windows 2016 operating system and you can do a test for this. So guys, you can click on you can open server manager, then click on local server. So now you can see the computer name. So click on that, click on change and add your computer name you wish to have. So this is AD. So AD server we are going to set up. So I will name it as AD dash tech chat. Tech chat is my domain. So now click on OK. So normally when we change the computer name, it will ask for a reboot. So until we do a reboot, this will not automatically take the new name. So we have to do a reboot, then computer name will be changed. So if you come back to your local server, so server manager, you can see computer name is equal to previous one. So before do the restart, so we have another prerequisite to complete. So if we have a DHCP IP address, we need to set it to a static one, and also we have to set up the DNS server as the local server IP address, because here we are going to set up ADDS and DNS. So the DNS IP address should be the same IP address of my my server. So to do that, search for control panel. Okay, go to network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. So click on Ethernet 0. So click on details to see the IP configuration. So DHCP enable, yes. So now we have a DHCP IP address. You can see IP address and subnet mask. So and DNS server IP address is another one. So we have to change it to the local IPv4 address. So close this. To change the IP address, click on properties. Select TCP IPv4. Click on properties and use the so what was my IP address? So I need to check it again. So click on details. It is 192.168.18.131. So default gateway is 192.168.18.2. Close this. Click on properties. Select TCP IPv4. Click on properties and use the following IP address. Type 192.168.180.131. Subnet mask 255 255 255 0. This is /24. So default gateway should be 192.168.180.2. My DNS server should be same as my local IP address. It means my DNS server should be 192.168.180.131. So this is a prerequisites before the ADDS and DNS installation. So config DNS server IP address same as the local IPv4 address 131. Now click on OK. So we can verify this. Click on details again. So you can see DHCP enable. No, it means now we have a static IP address 192.168.180.131. 192.168.180.2 is the default gateway, and DNS server IP address is equal to the IPv4 address of this server. So close this. Now prerequisites are complete. So now we have to do a reboot because uh, uh, we changed the computer name. So until we do the reboot, the name will not be changed. So click on restart now. So now we should log into the virtual machines and Control Alt Delete, then type your password. Now please open Server Manager. Okay, so click on local server. Then you can see the computer name. That computer name should be the new name we change, which it is AD Chat. So guys, let's see for that. Yes, now you can see that computer name has been changed to AD Chat. So guys, now we are going to install the Windows AD DS and Domain DNS. So to do that, you can click on Manage and Add Roles and Features. Now click on Next. This is a role-based, a feature-based installation. So this is a role-based installation. So keep it same and click on Next. And now you need to give the server address. So we have only one server. So from the server pool AD-take chat. So keep it same and click on Next. And now you need to select the which role you are going to install. So we are going to install Active Directory Domain Service. So after select it, you need to click on Add Features, Active Directory Domain Services, and also DNS. Click on that and also click Add Features. Then we should not worry about the features. We have to add in next step. So now it is asking for the features, but in previous session, in the previous page, we added the features, so we don't need to worry about that. Now click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. So restart destination server automatically if required. Okay, so please tick on it. So but if you wish to restart later, so don't tick on this. So now click on install. This will take few minutes to complete the installation, so we have to wait for that. Okay guys, configuration required, installation succeed on AD-take chat. So it means that we need to do some forced configuration. So close this, and you can see here in the notification tab there is a notification. Click on that. So it is asking for the forced deployment configuration. So click on promote this server to a domain control. So this is the forced configuration which we should do. Okay guys. Okay, now we need to do the forced configuration. So here select the deployment operation. So here this is the first time we are going to install ADDS and DNS on our server. So we have to select add a new forest. So guys, I have talked about the forest, domain name, and organization unit and objects in my previous video. Please go and watch that video to take an idea. So now we need to add a new forest. So it is asking to domain name. So my domain name is techchat.local. So add it. So it will be changed for your company. So you need to decide it. So if my company is techmaster, then I can select domain as techmaster.local. So you can decide it. So techchat.local. Okay, click on next. Okay guys, now it is asking for the some other setting. Type the directory services restore mode password. So here keep others settings as the default ones. don't go to change them, only add a password for directory services restore mode. So I will add my password. Okay, now it was confirmed. Now click on next. Okay, a delegation for this DNS server cannot be created. The authoritative parent zone cannot be found. So okay, no problem, don't think about that. Here we do the only DNS and AD installation, so we can do the configuration later. So I will bring a future video to teach you how to do that. So don't worry guys, we don't need to create DNS delegation at the moment, so we only need to complete the installation. So click on next. Okay, now the net bias domain name. So normally this will be taken automatically. It should be tech chat. So let's see. Yes, it was automatically taken. The name is tech chat. Click on next. Now it is asking for the installation path, data for the database folder, log file folder, and so we need to actually, if you wish to change it, you can change it, but I'm not going to change the location for database log files, so I will keep it same as here. So click on next. Okay, don't need to change anything. Click on next. Okay, now this will check for the prerequisites. This should be success. Without success this, we can't go to next and we can't complete the installation. Okay, all prerequisites checks fast successfully. Click install to begin installation. Okay, click on install. Okay guys, this server was successfully configured as a domain controller. Yeah, so here my video subject was how to install AD DS plus DNS in our Windows 2016 computer. So but when we install them, our server will be a domain controller. So please go and watch my video for domain controller. So now as I select option to automatically restart, so it is going to restart. So here I'm not going to teach you how to do the AD DS configuration and DNS configuration. In future video I will talk about them, so then you can understand how to create a OU and how to add users computers under it. So don't worry guys, so I will bring future videos for you. And guys, remember that the domain admin password and my local administrator password is equal. So because I installed the AD DNS for the tech chat, then it will take the local administrator password as the domain administrator password. Okay guys. So our installation was completed for ADDNS and ADDS and DNS. So now let's see how to open them. So open server manager, click on tools, and then you can click on wait. Okay, now you can see DNS, and also you can see active directory users and computers, and so other options. So if you click on DNS, it will pop up the DNS and you can do the changes. Here you can see AD-tech chat. Okay, so I will talk about the configuration in future video. Then click on tools and click on active directory users and computers. So you can see my domain is techchat.local. So guys, then you can see OU under textchat.local. So if you click here, right click, and okay, so then you can do the changes here. Okay guys, so I will talk about the configurations in future videos. So if you need to create a new computer, so click on your OU, then computer. So like that you can follow these steps. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, I have uploaded video on my YouTube channel not only for Windows but also for Linux and cybersecurity, web hosting, email, uh, cloud computing, email, so DNS. And guys, please go and watch those videos. They will improve your knowledge. So thank you very much for watching this video.